Tronsmart is back with a monster of a boombox, super affordable and super powerful. So this is the new Bang Max, and in this video we of course will test this new beast and all its amazing features like the newest 5.3 Bluetooth, super wide transmission range, perfect quality, 130 watts of output power, which is a lot, 110 dBs of loudness, huge battery, it is water resistant and it looks sick. So let's check it out. Got the new drip from Tronsmart, the Bang Max. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box, that's the front, and that's the back right here with all the specs and the features. Then we also have this side, more joy and fun. And also on the other side, we have a few nice pictures of the Bang Max, QR codes, bottom and top are just blank. So let's open it up. So right here on top we have the charging brick, well, the power brick, and right here the box. So let's just grab it, pull it out, and all the way down here we also have the paperwork and cables. So let's free up the box, and there we go. Wow, nice. But before we get to it, accessories and manual, of course. So again, these two basically. So let's open up this one. And in here, we first of all will get a nice aux cable with an angled jack on one side and a straight one on the other side. Quite long, like to see that. Actually, let me show you. Wow, that's over a meter. That's great to see. Usually these aux cables are way too short, but this one is great. Then again, we have the power brick with the connector right here. There it is. And all the specs right here. And then we also have all the paperwork. So we have the warranty card and also this, and we have this on the other side. And then of course a detailed user manual, and it is looking nice. Check it out, that's the second page. And then we also have this, and we also have a smart app, of course. And on the other side we have all the smart, the small print in all languages basically. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it. As you can see, it is quite large. It looks really powerful. We have a nice fabric body right here. Then the handle and the case is plastic basically. Nice buttons on top. Then on the side we have these nice looking RGB LED rings and the base membranes. Nice rubber feet, nice rubber pad on the bottom, and this with all the ports. Oh my goodness, wow, there is a lot. Okay, so let's take a close look. So again, we have the front with the brand. We have all these buttons right here. That's the control surface basically. So with the on-off, Bluetooth, minus, plus, play, pause, stereo pairing button, sound pulse EQ, then also the TC tune con button and also the echo button. So quite a lot of options right here. Turning it on will sound like this. And turning it off will sound like this. Then up here on the handle we also have the brand, looking dope. Inside here, check this out, we have a rubber grip, really awesome for grabbing it. And the back is just this nice fabric all the way across. And then check this out, we have all the ports. We have a slot for a card, USB, aux, and that's so awesome. We even have a guitar or mic and another mic inserts for the big jack right here, large jack. And we have little gain pods, feeling really nice. And then all the way right here we have the power plug. And there's also another option for gain adjustment right there. And it is of course protected by this massive rubber cover, making it water resistant. Then right here on the bottom we have the nice rubber feet and also all this small print down here. It's also well protected by this shell all the way across the bottom. Oh, I haven't noticed that, but this rubber grip is actually purple. That's looking interesting. Yeah, and again, lastly, on both sides we have these nice looking rings. This is a semi-transparent rubber that connects to the base membrane, of course, and underneath here we have the RGB LED rings, and we of course will test them in a bit. But yeah, all in all, it's looking really dope. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then test it. So let's turn it on. And let's get this app. The publisher is Geek Buying Inc. and it's this Tronsmart app. So let's get it and let's open it up. Agree and continue. And we have the Bang Max. Give it all the permissions. Of course, turn on location and Bluetooth. And let's go. Pair. And there we have it. So as we can see, this will give you an overview. We have this up here. Oh, it's just that. Let's go back to the Tronsmart Bang Max. All right, so up here we have the settings basically. We have the latest firmware, that's perfect. So right here we can set up an auto power off. This will activate this timer right here, pretty cool. Then we can also update the firmware, but it's the latest. We can disconnect and we can also check out the user manual. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And that's about it. Other than that, we can easily select the loudness. This is the same as using the volume rocker on the phone, and it's also the same as using the volume buttons on the Tronsmart. Play pause button, pretty dope. So this was the home segment. So we also have the equalizer. Oh, that's awesome. And then we have the controller right here. So let's check out the equalizer. We have the default sound pulse, deep bass, classical rock customized. We can switch between the input modes. We can select aux, the card, or the USB disc as well. We also can activate and deactivate the stereo pairing mode, broadcast, LED modes. Oh, it's turned off. Let's turn that on, of course. That is a must-have. So we have carousel, we have deep breathe, and we have the fashion party. I actually like the fashion party. It looks pretty dope. Right here we can also power it off, and we also have voice prompts. Nice. All right, so this concludes the app overview. Yeah, now let's try it out. So here we go, my favorite song. Medium loudness. Let's check out the clarity first. It's pretty nice. Echo. Let's get that sound pulse equalizer. We are reaching for the stars. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my god. So the sound pulse, you can also activate and deactivate it up here. And with the play button, pause button, you can of course start the video. Love the equalizer. With the echo, it's also sounding quite nice. Let's annoy the neighbors for a second. Oh, this is way too loud. Oh my god. That hurt my ears. It's that crazy loud. Oh my goodness. No way. Deep bass, let's see. Okay, we definitely need to take this outside. This is such a bad idea. This is so loud. I love it. Let's go. So there we go. Nice. As you can hear, nice bass. It's super loud. Oh my god, it's so loud. It's really loud. Oh my god. We're literally going to annoy the whole lake. Damn, it's so loud. Are you kidding me? Okay, I will tone it down a bit. And as always, little life hack for you guys. If you place it near a wall, then this will increase the bass quite tremendously. So with the box right here on full blast, we will probably reach even the guys all the way in the back right there. Yeah. Bro, what do you think? That is actually quite insane. Okay, rate the speaker.
10 out of 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10.
Oh no. The best 10 out of 10.
Copyrighted music right there. I can't show you too much, but the bass boosted stuff is sounding so good. This thing goes hard. It's crazy. This box was playing for a good 4 to 5 hours. No significant dent in the battery yet. Great battery life. And now let's go for another simple test, but a very telling one. Also very effective. Will the mirrors shake? And this is an easy way how to tell if a box or a speaker system has strong bass. Oh! Yes! Yeah! Yep. You will need quite a lot of energy to make the mirror vibrate. Sick bass. That's crazy. Yo. Damn, bro. That is quite sick. So yeah, the thing looks amazing. It looks and performs like an absolute beast. Great features, especially for the price point. This is so budget friendly. Man, this can fill out a big event easily. It is way too loud for a garden, as you heard. It's crazy. This will totally annoy the neighbors. Great bass too. So you can definitely use this for an indoor disco. Great for a workout room too. Well, it's mobile, so you can use it for all the mentioned things and then some. This is a super powerful mobile boombox. And thanks to the big battery in here, this will play for quite a while. This will last a long time, and the 5.3 Bluetooth is doing such an amazing job. No lags, just perfect transmission no matter where I went. As you saw, it's amazing. And as it said on the box, exceptional outdoor sound. Many possibilities for this thing, and it is also IPX6 rated, so it is fully water resistant. Pool parties, anything like that, no issues whatsoever. And it also has these great looking RGB LED rings, as we already know them from the Bang Mini. It just looks so nice when the bass shakes up the membranes. Absolutely love it. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.